Wow, you see people staying there.
They're playing basketball.
Yeah.
This is his break. That one is his father's.
Oh, this one.
This is
Ronald Allen Calipio. Yeah, this is one of the. He was once the famous actor, right?
really famous.
Mm.
Almost like a hero.
Yeah, famous actor.
Modern day hero.
Modern day hero. Even there's one more, the president. He was become a president. He's still alive, you know. The actor. What is his name? I forgot.
He was cheated. He was cheated.
Yeah, but the other one more. The other one still alive. Another one more.
Movie star?
Yeah, actor. They're playing basketball. Yeah, so we're getting for a walk. Yeah. You are selling the. It's okay. You don't want to interview. It's okay. Then we can just have a look at them. So they are doing sari store. Huh? Hello. This is like a community, you know. Halo, kamusta?
Kamusta? Ayos lang.
Oh, drinking na.
Drinking.
Can I join?
Wah.
Where from? Huh? No, cannot. My friend said cannot. I'm driving now.
My friend, give me one shot. Don't worry.
So he drinking. Okay. She drinking for me. Okay. You say okay.
Where go from?
Huh? Malaysia.
Malaysia.
Yeah.
Give me one shot.
You know the badminton Lee Chong Wei?
Very happy.
Happy. Okay. Okay, thank you. Selamat.
Thank you, my friends.
Selamat.
Thank you.
Eh. Bye bye. Wah, maganda. Little baby. Like this one, this is one grave, or consider 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, several person, or the same people, or that mean the family members, or
They all have Rika Fort.
oh, so that mean this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 people, right? Is it 7 people? Because there are 7.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, 7.
Yeah, 7 people. So
Here, there are 11.
oh, that bound is 4, right? 4. Oh, so these are.
Here you have 1,
This is more like family members.
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It's good.
Yeah. So that means they are what up to each other.
Because there's not enough space, so they put
Yeah.
them on top of each other.
And it's cheaper like this, right?
You don't have to pay for another.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Bakit po? Nagtanong eh. Bakit po? Nag-ikot lang. Sinachat lang.
Malaysian siya.
Yeah. Nag-abi-abi kami ito.
Huh?
Patrick.
No, he cannot drink because I'm driving now.
Ay, may inom. Nag-drive kasi siya. Iniikot siya dito para makita yung live.
Okay. Selamat.
Picture.
Lahat malayo na eh. Paano kasi na-export mo? Ito naman lang. Minsan ako uminom sa sauce. Tulugang nila. Tulugang agad.
This cemetery is very huge, and I'm not able to cover all, but managed to cover one street. And this is like their homes. Sari-sari store.
Kasi ano? Sana nga yung tatalo ang lola ko? Here, I found it.
She the caretaker of your.
The two of her.
Oh. So we managed to meet Tess caretaker.
She recognized you.
Oh, she recognized you. Oh, good. We are in luck. Oh. Oh, this is the one. Your uncle and
My grandparents, my uncle.
that one, the down one.
Yeah. My grandmother.
Your grandfather.
Mother.
Oh, grandmother.
Below is my aunt, my uncle, and my grandfather.
Okay.
Then upstairs is where we spend our time when we come here on All Saints Day, November 1.
Okay. Good.
Taba mo? Tumaba ka.
person, a family of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Well, this is how it looks like in the Manila North Cemetery. It's a very huge cemetery, and luckily I have Tess with me and Len to come with me, and that is the lady in red, is the caretaker of the lady who brought me here. That is Tess, her name, and staying at the grandmother and grandfather grave. Okay? And it's very huge, and you can get lost over here if you come alone, and it's not safe to come alone. The home of the caretaker. So this is the home of the caretaker. So you can see. Which is the house? The house is that?
Yes, sir.
Can I go inside and see?
Ano ang tatay niya?
So this is the house of the caretaker. So I asked her permission to go inside, and she allowed to go inside and have a look. It's okay, Anna? Hello, girl. Say hello to the camera. Say hello. Hello. How old are you?
3.
3 years old. And what is your name?
Roan.
Girl, what is your name, girl?
What's your name daw?
Domin na hihiya na.
Roan.
Roan. Oh, pretty girl. Maganda na. Pretty, very maganda. Okay. So now I go in and I take off my shoes. So this is how the house, and this is one of the grave, you know. Miss, come, you don't mind if I also up? You go first, because I need you to go up, then I follow you, because I don't want to go alone. It's okay, huh? So this is the upstairs. Okay, until here. Okay, I don't want to go. So this is the upstairs, and that is the room. Can I ask how many people sleep in the room na?
1.
You only sleep. Oh.
Dito kami sa baba.
Oh, this little girl. Oh. That means 2, you and her.
No.
She alone? Oh, inside. Oh. Wait. Okay, come. Let's go. We go down. Oh, the bathroom. That is the bathroom. So that is the bathroom. I presume this one is the kitchen.
Yeah, sir.
This is the kitchen.
Hindi ko pa nalilinis eh.
So this is the kitchen. This is the kitchen, and the house. Okay, guys. So, and that is the pet. The pet. Okay, guys. I hope you like to see this video. Okay, we are going out. So renovation is doing that to extend. Now this is another home with their children. Okay, selamat. Thank you. Okay. This is very good enough. Thank you very much.
Okay.
The view is okay. The view is okay.
Okay. As if I'm not taking a video, so no, let's just look at that. I don't want to get the impression that I'm taking a video.
Magpapasundo na lang ako kay Arnel.
Ha?
Magpapasundo ako kay Arnel.
Sana? Sige. I'll give the address.
Kasi ayoko na. Mas mapapalayo kung sa Malate pa eh.
Hindi, dun, mas malapit naman yan. Doon naman tayo.
Do like that, I can post